Today I'm going to show you how to make this animation using Canva. Go to Canva and click video. Let's choose video landscape. Let's go to elements and type strawberry. Choose videos. Let's choose this video. Increase the size to cover all the page and decrease the duration. Let's make just 2 seconds. Click zoom page and increase the size of this timeline. Go to text and let's type our text. Let's change the font to Anton and let's change the color to white color. Make italic style and go to effects, shadow, change the color to black, increase the blur, increase the transparency. Let's increase the size like this and open these handles of the text like this and rotate. Duplicate and type the next word. Make them close to each other like this. Duplicate. Let's make the third one and go to layers, show layers and make them in this order. Click on the first one. Let's decrease a little bit the duration like this and animate with baseline. Choose on enter and change the direction. Click in the second one, decrease the duration, make it appear after this one and animate with baseline as well. Change the direction, click on enter. Click in the third one, decrease the duration, baseline, make the direction from the left to the right, click on enter and add new page and go to elements again. Let's clear, scroll down to shapes and choose the circle. Change the color to red color and increase the size to cover all the page. Place it in the middle and animate with pop. Decrease the speed and duplicate the circle. Decrease the size and change the color to white color. Place it in the middle and decrease the duration. Add transition and choose circle wipe, choose out and go to uploads. And after uploading your image, let's drag it to the design, remove the background. Let's adjust the size, place it inside the circle and animate with chroma wave. Let's decrease the duration, make it appear here. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.